Hi guys, how are you all doing? Karibuni sana, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Lillian. Thank you so much for coming to check out my videos. Please like them and just comment on what you think about this particular video. So on this day, I had just washed the clothes the previous day, so I decided to remove them from the hang line and just fold them. So just having a good time reminding myself how to dance. Yeah, I think I can still make the moves. Yeah, so I just decided to remove the clothes and hang them. So this is what I'm doing. Yeah, so some of these clothes I had thrifted a few days ago, and so I always wash them before I wear them. Some people just wear and then wash them after. Yeah, either way, I guess they are usually sprayed so you don't get any infections, but it's still good if you can wash, then you wash them before you wear them. Some of them are just my old clothes that I decided to wear and wash. Yeah, so I don't know what you're doing on this particular day. Are you having a good time? Please comment and let me know what you're doing. Yeah, so I just had a great day. On this day, it was such a productive day for me. I just decided to do most of the house chores on this particular day. Yeah, so thank you so much for returning to just watch my videos. Yeah, so once I finished this, it was time for a well-deserved break. So I just took my book to write a few things that I needed to do. But before that, I decided to take a break with some cup of tea and just rest as I think my thoughts through. You might as well have noticed I am home alone, and so I really get time to do some of the things that I love doing. And so here I was just putting my thoughts in paper and just thinking through the things that I want to do so that I don't forget anything that I needed to do for that day. Yeah, and so our house is usually full. There's always two persons at the same time. So this day I was just alone, so it was a good time to do most of the things that I needed to do when I'm alone. As you know, when you're with people in the house, it can be a bit inconveniencing because you don't want to disturb someone else's privacy. And so either you have to do some things outside or you have to wait for such a time as this to do the things that you need to do. But it's such a great time to just have the solitude to yourself. Yeah, so I wanted to munch the biscuit on its own. Then I thought, what the heck? Why can't I make a cup of tea and take it with? And so that's what I'm doing here, just making a cup of tea. so that I can snack it with my biscuits as I rest and just think through my life and the things I need to do and just how the day is going to go about. Once my tea was ready, I sat down and enjoyed a hot cup of masala tea as I just deliberated on a few things. So please stay tuned, enjoy the rest of this day with me. Let me know what you're doing, let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know what you think about this video, and please just give it a like if you're enjoying it. If it is not your kind of video, please just support by watching still and just putting your thoughts and what you think I should do to make it better on the comment section. I really must have enjoyed this tea. It was really yummy. The masala, the spice I put on it was just awesome. And tea with biscuits, you can never go wrong. So I enjoyed my time alone. Yeah, so and later on I just decided to watch some YouTube. I watch YouTube a lot just to learn from the different YouTubers, and there's just so much to learn. Every one of them comes out with a different content, different things to do. It's just enjoyable watching different views from different people. So I really learn a lot from them. Being a small YouTuber, I just enjoy a lot. I think I've really missed dancing. I should call some of my friends so that we can go out where there's some nice music and just get a chance to dance our youth away. I think dancing is quite therapeutic. Yeah. So I think one of these days I'm going to do just that. So yeah, I'm watching Sarah Waruguru. I enjoy her vlogs. She's just full of vibes and really she enjoys her life. I just like the way she even supports her sister and her mom. She's just full of great vibes. And I hope one day, one day in another life, I can be like her. Yeah. By now, if you watch me a lot, you know that I stay with my sister and her kids. Yeah, life happened, so I had to move in with my sister, and it's really great vibes being with the teenagers. They really just show me a lot and teach me a lot, and make me also feel younger. And so on this day, they were all out. They were spending time with the other cousins, so we remained in the house alone, and we just made the most of it. It was such a quiet moment, just full of the adults and just doing what we do best. Yeah. Kids are fun, and I can imagine how parents feel when they're with their kids all through, and then for a moment the kids are away. The parents must really enjoy. It's a great time to really just do your own things and just be the adult in the room. Yeah, so we really enjoyed the night, me and my sister, and yeah, she was there in her room finishing some of the work. Yeah, and then she decided to do her hair, so here we are doing our hair.
Express, take care of the baby at home. Is